In this video, I'm going to walk you through using the text editor widget in Elementor. It's a handy tool for adding and styling text on your page. You can use this widget for descriptions, longer sections, or any written content. It's super popular since almost every page needs some text, like About Us sections, service descriptions, or product details, where you need to share more info in a clear way. I have a heading called Our Services, and I'm going to add some content below it. I'll drag the text editor widget onto the canvas, placing it right under the heading, and paste my content there. Let's add some space by pressing Enter, say, after the first sentence and in a few other spots. Now, I'm going to highlight the first sentence and make it bold, since it introduces the section and should stand out. You'll find various options here, and if you click on the toolbar toggle, there are even more. Next, I'll scroll down to the last sentence and link the words Learn More by clicking on the Insert or Edit Link option. That's where you can add your link. And there you go, it's clickable now. I also want to make this section italic, and that's all set. If you want to turn this into a bullet list, you can add bullets here. You can also enable the drop cap to make the first letter stand out. Feel free to change the number of text columns too. For instance, if you choose 2 columns, they'll be aligned nicely. After clicking it, you can adjust the column gap. Now, let's explore the options in the Style tab. You can align the text to the center, end, or start, or make it justified. I'll keep it at the start. In the Typography section, you can change the font family, size, and other settings you like. Over in the Advanced tab, you can adjust margins and paragraphs, and play around with positioning and responsiveness. And that's how you can use the text editor widget on your website.